Hey guys, welcome to Prodifari in TV. Today we are going to be making lightening and brightening black soap. For those who would like to make this and sell, and to those who just want a glowing skin by making their own black soap, this is a good recipe for you all. In this video, we are going to be using two methods in dissolving this soap. You can either choose method A or method B, any that works best for you. The first method is to cut the soap in chunks, pour in distilled water, and let it sit for about 24 to 48 hours to dissolve. Please do not stir or mix after adding water. We want to avoid this soap from foaming during the making process as much as possible. With the second method, we are still going to cut this soap in chunks. We are doing the method straight from the motherland, which is pounding. Now the solid black soap needs a good amount of water, but heads up, do not add this water at once. Add slowly. The least error, this soap is going to lather. It's going to foam so much that it is going to be so hard to work with. I cannot give you all the precise amount of water you should be adding to your black soap base, because we all don't buy this soap from the same supplier. So the amount of water needed depends on how solid the black soap base is. I will advise you all to work with the black soap base first, keep for about 24 hours and come back later to have a look on what consistency it is at that moment. If you are happy with the texture, then you can start adding your ingredients. But in this video, I do not use that method because I have been working with this supplier for a while now, and I know how much water is needed to dissolve this black soap. At this point in time, I am happy with the consistency I was going in for, so I will start by adding my ingredients. The first ingredients I'm going to be adding is goat milk powder. Goat milk powder contains lactic acid, which helps to brighten the skin complexion. The next ingredients we are going to be adding is turmeric powder. Turmeric powder has amazing benefits to the skin. It lightens pigmented areas, heals acne, reduces dark circles, and prevents premature aging. Also, we are adding cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder is extremely beneficial to the skin as well. It helps heal and prevent acne, reduces signs of aging, even out skin tone, exfoliates rough skin, and controls eczema. So our next ingredient is orange peel powder. Orange peel powder contains citric acid that helps to brighten and lighten the skin organically. This natural lightening effect of orange peel gives a youthful and radiant skin. It also helps to reduce pigmentation, dark spots, or scars caused by skin infections. So guys, we are going to be adding shea butter. Shea butter keeps the skin moisturized. The shea butter I am adding is a bit softer. So please, if your shea butter is hard, do melt it down before adding to the rest of the ingredients. So guys, this recipe should never be completed without adding glycerin. Glycerin helps to moisturize and hydrates the skin as well. The next ingredient is niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3. It is water soluble, which means you have to dissolve this powder with water before adding to your product. The amount of water used in dissolving this powder is in the recipe list. Niacinamide is an important ingredient in skin lightening. It decreases hyperpigmentation and lightens the skin gradually. Our next ingredient is kojic acid dipalmitate. Kojic acid dipalmitate has the ability to suppress skin pigmentation. This gives an excellent result in lightening and brightening of the skin. It is oil soluble. You have to mix with any carrier oil of your choice, as you can see me doing in this video.
I'm digging through the glove box. I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my junior year. There's candy in my backpack, and you can pick our soundtrack. We're heading for the East Coast tonight, so pack your bags and hold on tight, cause we're taking off. Pack up here, drag in, pack up here, in, drag back here, in, back coast, hold back there, in. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right, you'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. Feet up on the dashboard, we're driving with the windows down. Did you forget your phone cord? We'll buy one in the next small town. Dinner at an IHOP, a shower at a truck stop. We'll listen to some Johnny Cash. Take my hand and don't look back, cause we're moving on. Pack up here, drag in, pack up here, in, drag back here, in, back coast, hold back there, in. Run away with me, we're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see, Manhattan never looks so pretty. Travel light and see the world right, you'll never know if you never go.